Hi everybody! Today I'm very excited because I'm going to do the unboxing of my new Moxabox. It comes from Japan and it's made by an artisan called Mimura Chikuho. And this man have an enterprise doing beautiful things with bamboo. Then let me show to you what about this box, okay? Now we are going to open first papers. It comes from the postal service. Yeah. And it's very well. Okay. Well prepared to resist a long trip from Japan. Okay. Okay. Wow. There is a lot of things inside, okay. It's a little one. What is that? Okay. This is some samples and special samples of moxa. Okay. And also there is another paper and another box. Okay, two boxes. I'm going to open the box to see what is inside. Okay. Whoa! Look at this beautiful thing, the beautiful stick. Maybe this is for cleaning the Moxabox. Okay. Okay. Just the tip, and inside we have, wow, this beauty. Look at that. The hole. You can here. There is a little piece of herb inside. Okay. And well, you can put the herb here. It's fantastic. And after you put that, and after you put that, then it's very safe. I mean that the herb is very well contained inside. Fantastic. Okay. Let me see what is inside the other box. Maybe it's the same. Yeah, this is another one. With the beautiful stick. Wow. With the hat. And also the amazing. It's very soft on the surface. Wow. Well, it's the same design of the other. Beautiful. I think it can give a warm sensation, concentrated and pleasant at the same time. Then it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay. Okay, and let me see what about the two boxes, the beautiful boxes. One is handmade moxa, white sage. Okay, it means that this man also put very natural and beautiful herb. Okay, yeah. Oh, there are two samples, fantastic. Okay, we are going to open and see the quality of this herb. It is very smooth. Look at this, very smooth. A bit hairy. And it smells very good. Okay, fantastic. little whitey in comparison with other typical moxa herbs. Okay, and let me show you the last packet. Inside is handmade moxa lavender. Wow, it sounds amazing. Let me see what is inside this one. Okay, this is another kind of moxa. It's a bit different. Oh, it smells lavender. Lavender. It's beautiful, this smell. I think it could be very, very relaxing, sure. Wow, I want to try it. Okay. Then really I think they are very good devices for do therapy, and I think they have a perfect size. Okay, this is very practical. I mean that you can apply that in different points. Yes, and I think the warm sensation is very gentle, and also it's a good thing. And well, I hope you can enjoy the beauty of moxibustion with these devices. Sure. And sure your patients will like and will love this kind of heat. Then please enjoy moxibustion and enjoy all the work of Chikuho Bamboo Art Lab. Okay? Then I hope to see you next time. Bye.